Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your computer repair business. For example, you have a computer repair business in where your customers can view the computer repairing services, get a quick quote, also contact information. Responding each and every customer manually is a time-consuming task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your customers send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. In this video, I'll also teach you how you can store your customer data into your Google Sheet. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Connect automation, in where we can take trigger application as in Pabbly Chatflow and action application as in Google Sheet. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your computer repair business, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your clients instantly by sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of computer repair. Hi, or instead of any message you can send, here I sent it a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hello, welcome to TechFish Computer Repair Services. Fast, reliable solutions for your laptop, desktop and tech needs all in one place. How can we assist you today? While providing me 3 different options, that is repair my computer, get a quick quote and contact us. If I'll click on repair my computer, then you can see it will respond to me like this, that to get started, please select the device type. So here I am selecting the device type as laptop. Then it will ask me for my full name. So here I am providing them my full name. Here I provide it. After that you can see it will ask me for the issue that I am facing. So I am writing the issue. Here I shared the issue that I am facing. Now you can see it will ask me for the pickup location. So I am giving them one test location. Here I provide it. After that you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that thank you Mehruz Khan, we have received all your details for your computer repair request, while providing me the pickup location that I have given them here and the issue that I'll provided them and one message that is scheduled it pickup within the next 24 hours. Now if I'll click on contact us, then you can see it will provide me the contact details of this computer repair business. If I'll click on get a quick quote, then you can see it will respond to me like this, get a quick quote. Let's help you with fast estimate for your repair service. Please select your device type. So here I am selecting the Mac. Again it will ask me for the issue that I am facing. Here I provided. Then it will ask me for the location. So again I am giving them one test location. Here I provided. After that you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that here's what you have shared, including my issue type and one message, that is you will receive a quote within a few minutes. In this video I'll also teach you how you can store your client's data into your Google Sheet like this. Mehruz Khan, the problem description and the address that I have given them here. See, Mehruz Khan, problem description and the address. So if you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot for your computer repair business, then you have to follow step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click in sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I am clicking in this sign in option. Here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so we will go in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking on this Access Now button. Here you are navigate on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. By clicking on this, you can see it will provide you 2 options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the manual token connect. When you click on this, then you can see it will ask you for the Meta access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Here you can also add multiple folders, and in this home section you can see the status of the WhatsApp number that are added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want a detailed video of how to add WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. The second feature is the inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond to them by here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contact, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot, and you can see contact details, create segments, tag user, etc. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to many users at once, and it is also used for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow, in where you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. The eighth one is the AI assistant, in where you can train AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer common questions. The ninth one is the activity log, in where you can see all the events and the action you have performed within last 7 days. The 10th one is the settings, and the 11th one is the get help. If you want to know more details about these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. I am creating WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the flow option. So this is the flow builder page, where you can see your total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am clicking on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our computer repair business, now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and actions. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. There are the three ways to start your flow. The one is keywords, the second is regex and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. The third one is the choose template, in where you can create multiple templates and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation that were started by your side. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. So here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond to the any message of your client that they were sent to your WhatsApp business account of computer repair. Now, whenever my clients will send any of the message in my WhatsApp business account, then my bot will respond to them. For that, I am taking one text button. It will provide me one enter message box. I'll drag this box here and writing a message. Here I write it. You can see at the end of this message, I'll ask my client that how can we assist you today. So for answering this, I am giving them three quick buttons. By clicking on this plus add button, it will provide me one enter text box where I can write my buttons as repair my computer, get a quick quote and contact us. Now I am connecting the starting point of my flow to the welcome message I wrote for my clients. By clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here my flow starting point is connected to my message. Now whenever my clients wants to repair their computer, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my message as. To get started, please select the device type. So here I am providing them three types of devices, that is laptop, desktop and Mac. Now, whenever my clients will select any of these devices that they want to repair from my computer repair service business, then at first my bot will ask them about their name. For that, I'm clicking on this action option, take button as ask a question. Drag this question box here and writing a message as at first, please provide your full name. Here I write it. You can see I'll write this in asterisk symbol because with the help of this symbol, this message will go to the WhatsApp account of my clients in the bold format. Now in the select contact custom field, I'll select as full name. I already created this field before. If you want to know how to create a contact custom field into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. The format I'll select as text. Number of attempt I'll give as 1, and if you want to write any validation message for your client, then you can write in this box. Now I am connecting this circle which are present in front of laptop to this message, this circle to this message, and this circle to this message because the response would be the same. As whenever my clients will select any of these types of device, then at first my bot will ask them about their name, then the issue they are facing. So for that I am again taking one ask a question button, drag this question box here and writing a question as please describe the problem you are experiencing with your device so our expert technicians can assist you better. For that, I'm selecting contact custom field as in description and the format I'll select as any. After that, I'm connecting this circle to this message. Here it is connected. Now I want to know the address of my client so that I got the pickup location of the device. For that, I'm clicking on this action option, drag this question box here and writing a message as to proceed with the services, please share the full address or nearest area / landmark for pickup. After that, in the select contact custom field, I'll select as address. The format I'll select as text. Number of attempt I'll give as 1, and if you want to write any validation message for your clients, then you can write in this box. Now I am connecting this circle to this message. Connection plays the major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Now after that, I want to store this data into my Google Sheet, that is the name of my client, the problem they are facing, and the device pickup location. For that, I'm taking this API node, drag this API request box here. While clicking on this, here I'll select this as a post and you can generate this URL from your Pabbly Connect workflow. So here you can see this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect where you can see your task allotted, your task consumed, your task remaining and the free task consumed. With the help of this button plus create flow, you can create multiple workflows into your Pabbly Connect account. In this, you can create multiple folders and in this home section, you can see the status of your workflows. If you want a detailed video of how to create a workflow into your Pabbly Connect account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. You can see I already created one workflow for computer repair business. So I am clicking on this. After that, in this, you can see the trigger application I'll take as Pabbly Chatflow and the action application I'll take as Google Sheet. If I'll click on this, then you can see the trigger event I'll take as new message received and it will provide me one webhook URL that I'm going to copy from here and paste this here. Here I paste it. Now you can see it will provide you the 3 ways, that is parameters, headers and body. I am going with parameters. In the select contact custom field, I'll select as full name because at first we have asked the name of our clients. The next thing I'll ask my client is the description, that the problem they are facing. For that, I'm clicking on this description option. And the next thing I'll ask as address. In this key boxes also, you have to write the same, that is full name, description and address, but without dollar symbol. Here I write it, we will use the dollar symbol for the manual data of our clients. Now I am clicking on this test option. Then you can see it will provide you one notify, that is API request successful. Now again we will go to our Pabbly Connect account. It will provide you one response. Here you can see I got the response, that is full name, description and address that we have written here. See. Now the next application I'll take as Google Sheet, where I'll select the action event as add new row, select the spreadsheet that I have already created before in my Google Sheet account with the name that is computer repair business, and in this I have done the mapping of the data that I have received here. After this, you have to click on this button, save button, so that it will saved. Now we will go get back to our Pabbly chart flow. Here also you have to click on this button, save button. It will saved. Now I am connecting this circle to this message. So whenever my clients will provide me their full name as well as their description and the address, then all these data will stored into my Google Sheet with the help of this API node. Here I am writing the last respond message for my clients. For that I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write service request received message. Here I write it. You can see I'll use this dollar symbol before full name because with the help of this symbol my bot will respond to my clients by their name and the address that they have given to us and the description. Basically this symbol is used for sending the manual data. After that the next one is the get a quick quote. If my clients will click on this, then my bot will respond to them. For that I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my message as get a quick quote. Let's help you with a fast estimate for your repair services. Please select the device type. So here I am again providing them 3 types of devices, that is laptop, desktop, Mac. After that now I am again ask them about the problem that they are facing. For that I am taking one ask question button, drag this question box here and writing a message as. Here I write it in the select contact custom field. I'll select as description. The format I'll select as any. After that I'm connecting all these 3 circle to this circle because whenever my clients will select any of these device type, then at first my bot will ask them about the description of the problem they are facing. Now I want to ask the address of my client. For that I'm again taking one ask a question button, drag this question box here and writing a question as share your pickup location. In the select contact custom field, I'll select as address because location will come under the address. The format I'll select as text. Number of attempt will be 1. And I don't want to write any validation message for my client, so I am leaving this blank. After that, I am connecting this circle to this message. Now, whenever my clients will select the device type as well as provide me their descriptions and the address, then my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my respond message. Here I write it including one message, that is you will receive a quote within a few minutes. I write this in asterisk symbol because with the help of this symbol, this message will go to the WhatsApp account of my clients in the bold format. In simple words, it is used for highlighting words. I have done this as an example. You can also add many data of your computer repair business according to your choice. Now the last one is the contact us. If my clients want to directly contact with me as they want the contact details of my computer repair business, then they will click on this button, contact us. So my bot will respond to them. For that I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write all the contact details of my computer repair business. Here I write it. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot for your computer repair business. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. This bot will automatically respond to your clients like this. It will provide them all the necessary details you want to share with them, store their data into your Google Sheet like this. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Connect automation that we have done here, as we were created a separate workflow for computer repair business, and it will also provide the contact details to your clients. This bot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.